Hello, my name is Nikita Serditov. I'm a software developer. I work as a developer in commerce since 2018. My previous life background is a dance artist, dance teacher, and dance choreographer. So if you go to YouTube and search for Nikita Serditov, you can find plenty of the videos where I do dance or my dance group dances the dance that I created, like this or all this stuff. Um, I like to read books. I like to cook Korean food and to eat. I like kimchi. And I like to walk in nature where there is no one. Right now, I work as a freelance backend developer and a teacher and mentor. I like to help people learn how to code, how to create software developer, and I think I can do that because all the stuff I know is the stuff I learned by myself. I don't have any higher education background. All the things I know is the things I learned by myself. As a freelance backend developer, I work also since 2018. I had 3 or 4 years of working for big companies. I didn't like that much, but this video is not about that. So my stack is C++, Python, MQL4, and MQL5 languages. C++, Python, MQL4, and MQL5 languages. Okay, so C++ is the language I never created any software for selling it, just to try to learn and to understand how Python works. Uh, In Python, I create parsers for websites and Excel files, applications with graphic user interface using Tkinter and PyQt and any kind of web servers using the Django, Flask, or Fast API libraries. MQL4 and MQL5 language are used to create the variety of the experts indicators and scripts. All of them had a graphic user interface authentication through Google Sheets or SQL. They were all multi-time frame or multi-symbol applications. They were optimized in profiles. And I always use object-oriented programming principles and solid principles and design patterns for it. Since 2018, I wrote a lot of programs. I created a lot of programs in MQL4 and MQL5 and Python. Yeah, so this is the first very big repository. I just decided to make a repository out of the MQL4 directory in my MetaTrader. So this was the first repository with a ton of experts and a ton of indicators and all of the stuff. Later, I understood that I need a repository for every client of every language that I use for the experts, for the indicators, and for the scripts and libraries. The project that I'm proud of is the most recent one I created, the Expert Advisor using object-oriented programming. So this is the top level using only one include library. And then this is how it is set up. I create the Expert Advisor. This is the control of the time where it should work. This is the control of the odd order controller, which will send the orders. This is the symbol is for the one condition. This is for another one. In here, I add this condition. In this list, I add this condition. This Expert Advisor is really simply extensible. I can create any amount of lists and I create any amount of conditions in that list and they will work separately in one Expert Advisor. This is how it goes. It controls the break-even and deleting the orders that are already not controlled. And this is the code just of sending the orders, all this like this. So if you'd like your software created fast and with object-oriented programming, it would be extensible and changeable, just message me or call me.